Hello everyone, this is Fine from Awesome Tech Gaming Pro. I hope you all are well. Today I'm going to talk about the bad new Toshiba Z570RP QLED gaming TV. Toshiba has revolutionized home entertainment with its launch of the Z570RP QLED gaming TV, a groundbreaking innovation designed to enhance both gaming and viewing experiences. This cutting-edge TV is powered by a Alexa engine ZRI, which leverages AI-driven technology to optimize picture quality and sound, creating an immersive and dynamic experience for gamers and movie lovers alike. In this video, I will explore the advanced features of the Z570RP, which design philosophy and why it stands as a game changer in the television market.
If you are new in my channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon for future notifications and upcoming videos. I have another channel named Tech Gaming Villa, where I upload similar kind of tech videos like TV comparison, sound system, home theater. You can check and subscribe.
You see this TV at the core of the Toshiba Z570RP QLED gaming TV is the Alexa engine ZRI, a sophisticated AI technology that intelligently enhances various aspects of the television's performance. Whether you are watching a movie or playing a game, the Alexa engine ZRI optimizes both picture quality and sound in real time. This TV integrates direct full array backlighting and QLED color technology, offering exceptional contrast, color accuracy, and brightness levels that bring images to life. The QLED technology delivers vibrant lifelike colors, ensuring that every scene is as vivid and immersive as possible. This is perfect for users who demand superior picture quality, whether they are watching their favorite TV shows or playing a high-resolution game. This TV supports 144Hz refresh rate for seamless gaming. Gamers will find the 144Hz refresh rate of the Z570RP TV a perfect fit for next-generation gaming consoles. The high refresh rate ensures smooth and fluid gameplay, minimizing motion blur and enhancing responsiveness, especially in fast-paced action games. This feature, combined with AMD FreeSync premium technology, which eliminates screen tearing, providing a seamless gaming experience. Whether you are battling in a fast-paced shooter or exploring an open-world game, the Toshiba Z570RP ensures that every movement is crisp and smooth. The Z570RP includes a unique game deck interface designed to simplify the gaming experience. This intuitive interface makes it easier for gamers to manage settings and control gaming features, allowing them to focus more on the game itself. It gives users a flexibility to adjust game modes, optimize performance, and ensure the best possible gaming setup with ease. But superior picture quality is essential. Immersive audio is just as crucial for a true home entertainment experience. The Z570RP comes with 360-degree surround upscaling, a feature that enhances audio and creates room-filling sound without the need for additional external speakers. This upscaling technology works by analyzing the content and adjusting the audio to deliver clear, dynamic sound that matches the picture. Whether you are watching a movie or enjoying a game, the sound is rich, detailed, and immersive, putting you right at the heart of the action. The Dolby Atmos certification on the Z570RP TV ensures that users get a cinematic, three-dimensional sound experience. The Dolby Atmos technology delivers sound from all directions, creating an immersive auditory experience that mimics the feel of being in a movie theater. Paired with Dolby Vision for enhanced picture quality, the Z570RP guarantees a premium multimedia experience. A major aspect of any TV is the quality of the display, and Toshiba has taken great care to ensure that the Z570RP delivers superior performance in this regard. The Pure View display technology minimizes screen glare, allowing you to enjoy uninterrupted viewing no matter where you are sitting in the room. In addition, the TV offers a wide viewing angle, ensuring that the entire room can enjoy optimal visuals. Whether you are hosting a movie night with friends or gaming with a group, the Z570RP ensures that everyone gets an excellent view. Toshiba's commitment to quality is not just about performance, it's also about style. The Z570RP features a sophisticated design inspired by Japanese craftsmanship. The sleek minimalist aesthetics of the TV allow it to seamlessly integrate into any living room, complementing modern home decor. The combination of elegant design and cutting-edge technology ensures that the Z570RP is not just a television but a statement piece for your home. The Z570RP incorporates far-field voice recognition, which allows users to control the TV from anywhere in the room. Whether you want to change the channel, adjust the volume, or access other features, all it takes is a simple voice command. This hands-free convenience elevates the user experience, making it easy to control your TV even when you are not near the remote. So finally, I have to say this gaming TV has some key features, which is AI-powered Rexza engine ZR, which optimizes picture quality and audio in real time. It has QLED color technology, which delivers vibrant lifelike images with exceptional contrast and color accuracy. 144 Hz refresh rate for ideal for smooth, fast-paced gaming. Game Deck interface, which provides a convenient, customizable gaming experience. 360-degree sound upscaling, which creates immersive room-feeling audio. Dolby Atmos and Dolby Vision technology, which ensures cinema-quality sound and visuals. This TV has pure view display, which minimizes glare and offers wide viewing angles for every seat in the room, and voice recognition, which enables hands-free control from anywhere in the room. And also, it has elegant Japanese design, a sleek minimalist TV that complements any home decor. The Toshiba Z570RP QLED gaming TV is available in multiple screen sizes, ranging from 55-inch to 100-inch sizes, making it an excellent choice for different room sizes and viewing preferences. Prices for the Z570RP start at 43,000 rupees, making it a competitive option for consumers who are looking for premium performance without the ultra-high price tag. The TV is available exclusively on Flipkart with exciting launch offers such as a 1-year Z-Hotstar premium subscription, no-cost EMI options, and attractive exchange offers. For those seeking an immersive AI-enhanced gaming and viewing experience, the Z570RP stands as a top contender. You can visit Flipkart today to explore the available models and find the one that best suits your needs. So the question is, why you choose the Toshiba Z570RP QLED gaming TV? Well, in today's competitive television market, this TV stands out with its combination of AI-powered performance, premium design, and immersive gaming features. Whether you are a casual viewer, a movie enthusiast, or an avid gamer, the Z570RP caters to all with its sophisticated technology and design. With its AI-driven optimization, high refresh rate, and cinematic audio-visual experience, the Z570RP promises to elevate the way you experience television, making it a worthy addition to any modern home. So what's the thought about this newly released Toshiba Z570RP television? Please write in the comments below. That's it from now.